There are now more ways to save at Quick Mart. Become a Quick Club member and easily earn rewards on qualifying purchases at Quick Mart convenience stores. To get started, visit fuelrewards.com/pro or download the app in the Apple App Store and Google Play.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
It's been a cloudy and windy day across the Tennessee Valley on this Wednesday after the rain, wind, and storms that we had yesterday and last night. Even a few stray flurries across parts of the valley today. That moisture will be shifting out over the next few hours, but the clouds hang tough until we get to the early morning. Winds will stay up, gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour overnight, and temperatures will be dropping into the upper 20s and the lower 30s. Here's a futurecast breakdown showing the clouds hanging tough, but the moisture moving on out of the way the next few hours. Temperatures dropping overnight. Notice our northwesterly winds still staying 10 to 15 miles per hour sustained. Gusts 20 to 30 possible overnight. They do lessen a little bit tomorrow to where it's gusts to 20 to 30, something like that. Morning lows range between maybe as low as the mid-20s if there's enough clearing in southern middle Tennessee, but I think it's more likely upper 20s to some spots in the lower 30s over northwest Alabama, depending on how much clearing we have across the area. We're back to sunshine for a large part of our Thursday, however, but the northwesterly breezy winds continuing to pull in this cooler air mass. We're talking about upper 40s and lower 50s for daytime highs for our Thursday. Clouds increase again going into tomorrow night. So we'll be in the 40s by the evening and then not really dropping out of the 30s overnight tomorrow night. In the Friday morning, we start to have more of a southerly wind tomorrow night, especially in the Friday. It could gust near 30 again out of the south on Friday. That gives daytime highs in the mid-60s. And then frontal system kind of stalls near our area for the weekend, and low pressure riding along that with a shortwave trough gives us scattered showers going Saturday night into Sunday. I'm not expecting any severe storms or anything like that. That clears out of the way as we head into early next week, and a warmer pattern takes hold as we head into next week. We go from the lower 50s and upper 40s for tomorrow to the 60s Friday, Saturday. Brief cool down Sunday. The temperatures holding in the upper 50s to near 60 over the weekend, mainly from the clouds and rain around, but we earnestly warm up next week. Go from the mid-60s Monday into near 70 or the lower 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. I think we also get into a more active pattern. Daylight saving time begins this weekend. Clock set forward an hour this weekend, so that changes at 2 a.m. Sunday morning. So if you do still have any devices that need to be manually changed, be sure to do that Saturday night before you go to bed. Set them forward ahead 1 hour. Also a good time to change the batteries in your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors, and your NOAA weather radios. You need to do that about twice a year. The time change is a good time to do that. So clouds thick this evening. They gradually start to dissipate toward daybreak, getting down to a midpoint somewhere around 30 or so, but mid to upper 20s, southern middle Tennessee, upper 20s, lower 30s over northwest Alabama, lower 50s for tomorrow. Despite sunshine and breezy northwest winds, a few folks might be stuck in the upper 40s. Warmer going into Friday. Breezy again, though, with southerly winds and increasing clouds. A chance of rain Saturday night into Sunday. Not expecting any stormy weather with that. Warmer going into next week, and then we do see showers and thunderstorms return to the forecast by late next Wednesday afternoon, and more likely next Wednesday night. There's what's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.